Hello, Turbo Girl. Welcome to today's lesson on approximation and estimation. Can you still remember the place value of whole numbers?
Of course.
Can you tell me how to read this number?
That is 1,234,567.
Good. There are 7 digits in the number. Can you tell me the value of each digit?
Sure. The value of the digit 7 is 7. The value of the digit 6 is 60. The value of the digit 5 is 500. The value of the digit 4 is 4,000. The value of the digit 3 is 30,000. The value of the digit 2 is 200,000. And the value of the digit 1 is 1,000,000.
Now, I am going to teach you how to round numbers off to the nearest thousand. When we say rounding off, we mean approximation or estimation. We use this sign to indicate estimation. For example, round off 24,500 to the nearest thousand. If you were to refer to the number line, 24,500 is in the center, between 24,000 and 25,000. Under circumstances like this, the rule is to look at the digit which is one place value down. In this case, is the digit in the hundreds place. When rounding off a number to the nearest thousand, you round up the number if the digit is equal to or more than 5. If the digit is less than 5, you round down the number. Since the number is rounded up, 1 is added to the digit in the thousands place.
I know 24,500 is rounded off to 25,000. Let me try the next question.
Okay, try rounding off 125,246 to the nearest thousand.
By referring to the number line, I know that 125,246 is closer to 125,000 than 126,000. Thus, 125,246 is rounded down to 125,000. When rounding down a number, there is no need to add 1 to the digit in the thousands place. Teacher, am I right to say that when rounding off a number to the thousands place, the number should not have any value after the thousands place?
That's correct, Turbo Girl. One more question for you. Round off 13,802 to the nearest thousand.
In 13,802, the digit in the hundreds place is 8. Since it is more than 5, I round the number up by adding 1 to the digit 3. Thus, 13,802 is rounded off to 14,000.
Well done, Turbo Girl! We will now learn how to estimate the answers in calculations involving addition, subtraction, and multiplication. In estimation involving addition and subtraction, we round off the numbers to the nearest thousands first. Then we add or subtract. Let me give you some examples. In 15,423 plus 6,411, I round off 15,423 to the nearest thousand to give 15,000, and round off 6,411 to the nearest thousand to give 6,000. Then I add 15,000 to 6,000, which is 21,000. Therefore, 15,423 plus 6,411 when rounded off to the nearest thousand is 21,000. 11,623 minus 6,911. I round off 11,623 to the nearest thousand to give 12,000, and round off 6,911 to the nearest thousand to give 7,000. Then I subtract 7,000 from 12,000, which is equals to 5,000. Therefore, 11,623 minus 6,911 when rounded off to the nearest thousand is 5,000.
What about estimation involving multiplication?
In estimation involving multiplication, we round off the numbers to tens, hundreds, or thousands. I will show you an example. 325 times 89, I round off 325 to the nearest hundred, which is 300, and round off 89 to the nearest 10, which is 90. Then I multiply 300 by 90, which is equal to 27,000. Therefore, 325 times 89, when rounded off to the nearest thousand, is 27,000. Turbo Girl, can you try to estimate the answer for this sum? 3,957 times 106.
Sure. I round off 3,957 to the nearest 1,000, which is 4,000, and round off 106 to the nearest 100, which is 100. Then I multiply 4,000 by 100, which is equal to 400,000. Therefore, 3,957 times 106 when rounded off to the nearest thousand is 400,000.
Good. You have finally understood approximation and estimation for calculation now. Turbo Girl, can you recall what you have learned today?
I have learned that rounding off means approximation or estimation. We use this sign to indicate estimation. To round off a number to the nearest thousand, look at the digit in the hundreds place. You round up the number if the digit in the hundreds place is equal or more than 5, and you round down the number if the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5. In estimation involving addition and subtraction, we round off the numbers to the nearest thousand before we add or subtract the numbers. In estimation involving multiplication, we round off the numbers to nearest 10, 100, or 1000 before doing multiplication.
Well done, Turbo Girl. Goodbye.